In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube channel art using Canva. Creating professional looking channel art is one of the essential steps to successfully branding your YouTube channel. It's often the first impression viewers get and can make a big impact in reflecting your brand identity. Today, I'll guide you through the process of designing an eye-catching banner with Canva, a versatile and user-friendly graphic design tool. Let's get started. First, we need to open Canva, which you can easily access through any web browser. Once you're on the Canva homepage, locate the search bar at the top. Here, you'll want to type YouTube banner. This will bring up a variety of templates specifically tailored for YouTube channel art. These templates are optimally sized to fit the YouTube format, so you won't have to worry about dimensions later on. Let's go ahead and click that search button. At this point, you will see a selection of templates appear on your screen. Take a moment to browse through the options available. Canva offers a wide range of styles and themes, from minimalistic designs to vibrant and colourful layouts. Choose a template that resonates with the aesthetic and tone you want for your channel. Feel free to hover over the templates to see a preview and envision how it could represent your content. Once you've settled on a design, go ahead and click on it. You'll then be taken to the template's detailed view. Right there, you'll see an option that says Customize this template. Click it to open the template in Canva's design workspace. This section is where the magic happens. You'll be able to transform this template into a piece of art that's uniquely yours. Inside the design workspace, you'll find a plethora of customization options at your fingertips. You can replace text, adjust colors, and upload your own images or logos to personalize your banner. Use the left side toolbar to experiment with fonts, elements, and backgrounds. Drag and drop features make it easy to experiment with the layout until you're satisfied with the look. Just remember to stay true to your channel theme while keeping it simple yet engaging. Lastly, when you're happy with your creation, all that's left to do is download your artwork. Hit the download button, select the desired file format, usually recommended in PNG for crisp quality, and save it to your device. All done. Now you're ready to upload your new banner to your YouTube channel. So there you have it, a quick and effective way to create YouTube channel art using Canva. I hope you find these instructions easy to follow and that your new channel art helps to define and enhance your online presence. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy designing.